What's up? Giant Universe in the fucking building. You can see what I'm doing right now. The reason that you are emotionally unbalanced, unstable, the reason you are depressed, the reason you feel all fucked up, are mentally fogged, all of these things, bruh, it's because you are out of touch with self and you are not in tune with nature. Your natural processes cannot function correctly because you are not in tune with nature. Your essence is being pulled in all of these different directions. And that's not what it's about. You're missing the whole point of life, which is to just be. All you gotta do is just be. These inorganic beings, yo, they make life seem so complicated. It ain't complicated. I'm looking up in the sky right now, and it's about, let's say, 14 small birds and maybe like 12 vultures all spread out. You would never notice if you don't come outside. You would never know because you don't look up. You would never see the signs of the universe, the universal forces, because you're out of tune, because you don't spend time in nature. That's what it's all about, man. See my skin? I'm glowing because I'm in tune. This is what it's all about. If you're not in tune, you cannot expect your processes to function correctly, successfully. You cannot expect to be as successful as you want to be. It's just like letting go of the old. Have to step out your comfort zone, you know? Step back into what life's all about. Step back into nature. Nature is healing. There's nothing more healing. There is nothing more natural than nature. Of course you all fucked up. Of course you feel like there's no hope. Because you're confined. And you're confining yourself. You're confining your essence, your creativity, the light within yourself. Of course. Of course you would think that it's all over. Of course you would think that being fucked up is the end. There is no end. There is no end. For real. Whew, I got some aloe vera on my face. I feel amazing. Just soaking up these rays, yo. When's the last time you sat outside? Absorbed the sun? There's a lot of people that I know that can't even sit outside because it's too hot. It's too hot for y'all. The longer I sit in the sun, the cooler I feel it becomes. It's warm. It's like a blanket. Before I made this video, I was contemplating, when the fuck am I gonna have enough energy to make this video as nature calls, you know? I'm more fatigued than usual. But it's okay. Because I know that the solution is to be in tune with nature. Nature is most healing. Nature solves all your problems, handles all your business. Nature is abundant, it's everlasting. Know this for sure. So of course, if you don't spend time with nature and you're out of tune with nature, you're out of tune with yourself. So you would feel fucked up. It only makes sense. Ground yourself. Take your socks off and step in the grass. Step in some dirt, you know? I ain't gonna lie, this grass itch like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucking fuck, yo. And I buttered earlier, so these bugs are just loving it. But I'm loving the sun, so it don't even matter. I'm so at peace. I'm so calm. You can hear how beautiful the silence is. Nature's music. It's everlasting. You probably feel fucked up because you're out of tune, but because you're not in your solitude. All of this goes hand in hand. Enjoying yourself, enjoying the natural process of alignment, of enlightenment, of awareness. Yep. It's real out here, y'all. We are of the earth. We come from the earth. We are everything, and everything is us. So why the fuck do you think going outside wouldn't make your situation better? You know it will. If you look up to people, if you have idols, I'm sure them fuckers be outside. I ain't even gonna get into that because that's complicated. That's too complex. And I don't even want to waste my words. My whole point is that right now, I'm in peace. I soak up this sun. I'm raising my frequency by connecting with nature, by being one. I'm just like the grass in this yard. I'm just being. My essence is just to be. I am evolved. Yeah, man. I know y'all saw that bird. It was beautiful. You would never see shit like that if you don't go outside. If you don't connect with nature. Going outside allows you to go inside. Y'all, the sun. Come on with it. It's my type of shit. Girl. Peace, love, abundance. Prosper, my people.